What's up? It's your boy Nate the Great, and I know y'all heard my voice in a minute. Sorry for that, but I was busy working on a character selection system as well as working on my menu. So I didn't really know how to like come across on how to make this system for the character selection, but after some time, I figured out a way. Basically, what I would do is I would just loop through each and every text button and just match up with the correspondent um, name in the replicated storage, and there could be an object or even like an object ID, and it would save it as a string. If you know what I'm saying. So like, let me give you an example. Let's make this visible, and for colors, we would loop through each text button and find the um, color right here, and when you click it, it would take this value, this string value or this number value, whatever, and it would loop through your player's base parts and apply that color. And it basically goes around like that for the rest of them. So let me show you for the pants, and let's get the shirts. What it would do here is it would find the correspondent name, the name of the button that you clicked. It will go to the replicated storage, find the shirt name that matches with it, take the shirt ID and place that to your character. So here we have our custom character. So you will spawn as something like this, as like your default skin, but you can change it. And there's also data store on this, which is really useful. So we can get into that after. So basically, once you create your character and all of the things have been checked off, there will be a button that's called done, right? And when you click done, it basically just teleports you back, right? So with the data store, when you click done, basically what happens is it goes through your character, it finds the value, so it saves the value. Like for example, let's start with color. It finds your humanoid root part, it finds the color of it, saves that value to a string. Then saves it to the table, finds the shirt, the template, saves it to a table, finds the pants, the template, like this little string right here. For example, the shirt template right here, it saves that, and then accessory saves that. And so when you spawn in, when you're added to the game, it finds that data store, and if it's not nil, it just applies those strings to your character. Pretty straightforward. I understand why you would think it's complicated, but once you get your head around it, it is not as complicated as you think. But nonetheless, took a little time to understand. So for the next thing we have is our menu. So this menu took me unbelievable amount of time to create because I wasn't really sure on what to do. I didn't really know what kind of menu to make it, but so here is our starting place for the menu. Little thing I built. It's really simple. See, all this is extra space. All that's being really focused is right here, right? So I have some sort of camera part right here, just has the C frame there, and then what it does, there's a little Goku that I'm cloning, kind of like a little character you see in the start menu, and it's kind of like a Shinobi Life menu. Kind of got some inspiration from that, but I just added my own twist into it. So if you want to play the game, I can show you guys. So you spawn in here. Turn it on for you guys. Pretty cool thing. You can choose to spawn if you want. There's a little Kamehame effect, and you're in. So right here, I already have my character saved, but in this video, we'll change him just to show you guys how it works. So if I just reset real quick, go back. And I choose this up arrow, down arrow, doesn't matter. Customize character, does a pretty sick thing. And your character comes down right here, and you can customize. Change the shirts and stuff. His hair. I'll make more customizations to this later. I was just kind of lazy, and it takes a while to like match everything, especially like to add colors. So I'm gonna make my guy. Oh yeah, he's fresh. Like this, and then sir, boom. Now it saves, which is really useful. So let me show you guys. Do you see right here? It also printed out the table, which had all of the data that was going to be stored in our data store. So let me just click spawn really quick. And we spawn. There you go. That's pretty sick, right? This is our character. This is our guy that we made. So yeah. So before we go, I also want to show you guys a couple of the moves that I created. I think they're pretty cool. Like, I could show you guys maybe one or two. We have the throw. You can make combos with them. I think they're pretty cool. What else? I'll show you guys this. You can make a beam that does damage. Last tool should work. I might not have done damage, but yeah, I've been progressing with the tools and stuff, and they're on their way. Some of them just needed some more working on, but I think everything is going the way I want it to be. So yeah, that was the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. It's been your boy Nate the Great, and I'm out.